Hello there. So yesterday I started working on a resaw attachment to make a shiplap and whatever, and it's working very nicely. And before I put it all away, I thought maybe I can do some shingle sawing on it, because for me it doesn't make sense personally to cut a can and build a whole setup just for cutting shingles. Like if a customer comes tomorrow, I don't have time to resaw a log and make into cans and stuff. So it's just made more sense to go out and find some 1-inch boards and then split them into shingles for siding and stuff. So I made this. I just put down a plain board with some wax on it and mounted some rollers to guide the board so it doesn't fly around. And then I made a wedged pusher, and away we went. It's working very well for me, and yeah, I'll try and fire it up and you can see how I'm doing it. Yeah. So yeah, that's how I'll be doing that. It's pretty fast. I had some trouble with the camera got in the way, but it's super easy to push them through and run a lot. Fairly consistent in the thickness. This is just some old boards I had lying around just for testing purposes, but it looks nice, and it's I think I'll be doing a lot of these in the springtime. And yeah, again, it's a fast and efficient way to do it if you have a lot of boards lying around and you need a lot of shingles in a hurry. So yeah, have a good one.